Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage touch interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage touch interior decor is a design style where you bring elements from the past into a modern home to create a warm, nostalgic and elegant atmosphere. Vintage touch interior decor means adding old style or antique inspired items like furniture, colors, patterns, or accessories into your space so it feels timeless and full of character. It is not about making your home look old. It is about blending history with modern living to create a cozy, story-filled space. Main features of vintage touch decor: old plus new mix. Combine antique or vintage style items with modern furniture. Example: a vintage wooden table with a modern sofa. This balance keeps your home stylish, not outdated. Nostalgic feel, inspired by past decades, like 1920s to 1980s styles. Creates a soft, romantic, and comforting vibe. Edged or distressed look. Furniture may look slightly worn or edged. These imperfect looks add charm and authenticity. Uses natural materials like wood, cotton, linen, and wool are common. These materials feel warm and timeless. Soft and classic colors: cream, beige, pastel pink, mint green, and soft blues, often paired with floral or classic patterns. Decorative details with history, like vintage clocks, mirrors, lamps, and ceramics. Each item often feels like it has a story. Why people love vintage touch decor? Feels cozy and personal, add character and uniqueness, more timeless than trendy designs, often uses high-quality, handcrafted pieces. Vintage touch interior decor equal modern home, plus beautiful pieces from the past, plus cozy nostalgic feeling. Different types of vintage styles. Vintage is not just on look, it can come from different eras: Victorian inspired, elegant furniture, carved wood, and floral fabrics. Mid-century vintage, 1950s to 1960s, uses clean lines, wooden furniture, and richer colors. Rustic farmhouse vintage uses distressed wood, neutral tones, and cozy textures. Shabby chic use soft pastel colors, own finishes, and romantic feel. You can mix these styles, but it is best to keep on as your main theme. Furniture in vintage decor. Furniture is one of the biggest elements. Look for curved shape, curved details, or antique finishes. Use distressed or whitewashed wood for a soft vintage feel. Reuse or restore old furniture instead of buying new. Even on-vintage piece, like a cabinet or chair, can change the whole room. Fabrics and textiles. Vintage decor loves soft, cozy fabrics like floral prints, lace, crochet, and embroidery. Materials like cotton, linen, and tulle. Layering, cushions, curtains, tablecloth, and rugs. Since you like crochet ideas, handmade crochet pieces fit perfectly into vintage decor. Color palette details. Vintage colors are usually calm and shooting. Use soft tones like cream, beige, dusty pink, and chase green. Use muted shades, not too bright or harsh. Accent colors: deep brown, faded gold, and antique blue. Avoid very bold neon colors. They break the vintage mood. Decorative accessories. Accessories bring the vintage touch to life. Old-style mirrors with detailed frames. Use ceramic jars, teapots, or glass bottles. Vintage clocks, photo frames, or wall art. Oven baskets and handmade items. These small details create the nostalgic feeling. Lighting style. Lighting plays a big role. Warm, soft lighting, not too bright or white light. Lamp with fabric shades. Lantern style or antique looking lights. This makes the space feel cozy and inviting. Vintage plus modern balance. Uncommon mistake is going too heavy on vintage. Mix vintage with modern for comfort. Keep your space functional, not cluttered. Use vintage as highlights, not overload. Think collected over time, not decorated all at once. How it feels. Vintage touch decor creates a calm, peaceful environment, a sense of nostalgia and comfort, a home that feels personal and unique. It is less about perfection and more about warmth and memories. Simple real-life example. Imagine a small kitchen, white shelves plus old-style chairs, wooden table with a slightly old finish, floral curtains plus crochet table genre, soft yellow lighting. That is the perfect vintage touch. Simple, cozy, and beautiful. The philosophy behind vintage decor. Vintage style is about collected over time, living, not perfectly mass designed. Your home should feel like it evolved naturally. Items don't need to match, they need to belong together. Small imperfections like tip, filling, scratches add character. This is what makes vintage spaces feel real and soulful, not staged. Vintage has vintage inspired pieces. There are two ways to achieve the look: authentic vintage, old or antique items, 20 to 100 years old, found in flower markets, thrift shops, or family pages, unique and full of history. Vintage inspired, new items designed to look old, easier to find and maintain, often more practical for daily use. Best approach: mix both for beauty plus convenience. Upcycling and DIY, very important. Vintage decor strongly connects with reuse and creativity. Turn old chairs into flower vases. Repeat wooden furniture with a distressed finish. Use old fabrics to make cushion covers or curtains. Create crochet table genres, dollies, or covers. This not only saves money but adds a personal handmade touch. Layering, the secret technique. Vintage spaces feel rich because of layering. Layer fabrics. Use curtains plus lace plus blinds. Layer texture. Use wood plus fabric plus metal and glass. Layer decor. Use frames, books, plants, and candles together. The goal is cozy tip, not empty minimalism. Balance and space control. Vintage decor can easily become cluttered if not controlled. Leave some empty space to rest the eyes. Choose a few focal points. Don't decorate everything. Keep daily use areas simple and practical. Think cozy, not crowded. Mixing with other styles. Vintage blends beautifully with cottage style, soft, floral, and cozy. Farmhouse style is rustic wood and simple charm. Boho style, they are textiles and relaxed vibe. Modern style, clean base plus vintage accents. Common materials used. Vintage decor often includes aged wood like oak and pine, earth iron or brass, glass, clear or slightly tint, ceramic and porcelain. These materials make the space feel natural and timeless. Common mistakes to avoid. Using too many dark heavy items makes a space dull. Over-decorating every corner, ignoring lighting. Too bright equal not cozy. Buying everything new but calling it vintage. Emotional impact. Vintage decor is popular because it feels comforting and homely, brings a sense of nostalgia, creates a peaceful solo living environment. Simple idea for your style. Since you love kitchen and crochet decor, add a crochet table genre or jar cover. Use open shelves with vintage jars and cups. Include a wooden tray with teapot plus flowers, hang soft floral or lace curtains. This gives a strong vintage touch without spending much. The storytelling concept. A true vintage style home feels like it has a story behind every corner. A tree with a teacup, book, and flowers equal a quiet afternoon sense. A wall with mixed old frames equal family history or memories. A kitchen shelf with jars and baskets equal everyday life beautifully shown. Instead of placing items randomly, think what story is this corner telling? Creating a focal point. Every vintage style room needs own main highlight. Examples: a distressed wooden cabinet, a vintage style mirror with a curved frame, a small coffee or tea corner with classic items built around that own pit. Don't try to make everything less sharp. The power of patina is beauty. Vintage decor values something called patina, the natural aging of materials. Slight rust on metal, faded paint on wood, soft decoloration on fabric. These are not flaws, they create depth and authenticity. Pattern mixing. Done right. Vintage style often mixes patterns, but carefully. You can combine floral prints, texture stripes, lace or crochet textures. Keep colors in the same family so patterns don't clash. Everyday items as decor. On a special trick in vintage homes, functional items become decoration. Glass jars for storage plus display. Wooden cutting boards for wall decor. Teacups for open shelf styling. Baskets, storage plus texture. This is perfect for small kitchens, beautiful and practical. Bringing nature inside. Vintage spaces often feel alive because of natural elements. Use fresh or dried flowers, indoor plants in ceramic pots, herbs in the kitchen. This softens the look and adds freshness. Small details that make a big difference. These tiny touches create the real vintage vibe. Lace edged on shelves, old style hooks or handles, handwritten labels on chairs, soft fabric covers for appliances. These are simple but powerful. Seasonal vintage styling. You can adjust vintage decor with seasons. Summer, use light fabrics, flowers, and airy feel. Winter, use thicker textiles, warm colors, and candles. Festive times, add traditional or handmade decoration. Keep your home feeling fresh but still vintage. Budget-friendly vintage look. You don't need expensive antiques. Use local markets or second-hand items. DIY adding effect to paint, like distressing. Repurpose old household items. Add handmade crochet pieces. A perfect vintage touch home should feel warm, not perfect. Collected, not bought all at once. Soft, not sharp. Personal, not showroom-like. Vintage decor is not about copying the past. It is about bringing its warmth into your present life. Vintage touch interior decor is a design style where you bring elements from the past into a modern home to create a warm, nostalgic, and elegant atmosphere. Vintage touch interior decor means adding old style or antique inspired items like furniture, colors, patterns, or accessories into your space, so it feels timeless and full of character. It is not about making your home look old, it is about blending history with modern living to create a cozy, story filled space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.